In roof tile production, adjusting the roller gap is a key step. With the right gap, tiles are perfectly shaped and dimensionally accurate. If the gap is too small, the material may wrinkle, scratch, or crack. If it's too large, the tile shape will be shallow or inaccurate, affecting installation. Normally, the roller gap should be about 1.3 times the material thickness. We use a feeler gauge to measure the roller gap. Insert the gauge between the upper and lower rollers. If it slides in smoothly, but has slight friction when moving, that's perfect. If it feels too tight, the gap is too small. If it's too loose, the gap is too large. At this time, you need to adjust the screw to raise or lower the upper roller to adjust the gap size. Proper roller gap adjustment is essential for perfect forming quality. Master this skill, your roof tile machine will run smoother and your products will look better. Zhongtuo provides high-quality cold roll forming equipment and perfect after-sales service. Welcome to Consult.